Our journey started a year ago when we decided to acquire a property na katabi ng ilog. As in, yun lang yung criteria namin at that time. Basta nasa tabi ng ilog. Who wouldn't want that eh? Ang tagal din naman naming tumira sa Manila. Usok, ingay, at laging fast-paced dapat. Iba din kasi talaga ang nature in providing much needed respite from the stressors in life, 'di ba? Kaya nga pag may problema ka or pinagdadaanan, gusto mo mag-nature tripping kasi it can help you feel calmer and grounded. Galing ng nature, no? Yun. So nung napadpad kami dito sa property, hindi na namin talaga pinakawalan. Akala nga namin hindi na siya available kasi sabi nung agent namin ilang taon na daw siyang for sale, so baka nabenta na. Nung nalaman namin na available pa, nakipagtawaran na kaagad kami. Ang saya din ma-imagine na yung mga pets namin can freely roam around and enjoy nature din. We have 4 dogs and 2 cats. Si Bugsy, Biden, Bridget, Bambi, Muning, and Domino. For sure magugustuhan nila ditong maghabulan sa farm at mag-swimming sa ilog. Kaya nga napawaw na lang kami kasi perfect canvas for a dream house sa probinsya. At eto pa guys, ang view, Mount Banahaw. Imagine mo yon, malaking ilog, mga puno at Mount Banahaw. Tapos naisip namin, wouldn't it be nice to build small structures na parang bahay kubo yung atake? Gusto namin yung traditional yung peg ng mga structures na itatayo namin. Aside from the fact na charming na yung itsura, it would also seamlessly blend with its surroundings. Tsaka, we've always been drawn to traditional houses talaga. So from that simple dream, doon namin na-realize na wait, aside from being our sanctuary, pwede rin siyang gawing dual purpose eh. Small business din, di ba? Isa pa, halos lahat ng resorts ata na nakita namin ay modern ang theme. Kokonti lang yung mga traditional yung design. So dun talaga kami nag-decide na yun yung theme na gusto namin. Kaya yun, we decided to partner with Antigong Kahoy by Porca. Aside from their talent in design and building, they also use repurposed materials. So very eco-friendly pa, di ba? So yun, as of this time, marami pang kailangan gawin dito sa farm. Nakakapagod kasi kailangan parati kang nagsa-site visit at nakasupervise din. Nakakatakot din kasi malaki ang magagastos pero at the same time exciting kasi binubuo mo yung pangarap mo eh. May vision ka na gusto mong mag-materialize into something great.
Hi guys! Yan. I'm on my way to the farm. Tapos yan yung hall namin, mga furnitures, galing ng iba't ibang lugar na nabili namin. Mamaya i-unbox namin. Yes.
So if you're lying on the bed, you would see the river and the mountain as well. So that's gonna be your view before going to bed.